Hey, quick question. What if one biotech stock could change the game? Autoimmune disease and it's flying under Wall Street's radar. Q32 Bio just scored FDA Fast Track for a bold new therapy. Stick around because this could be a breakout moment you don't want to miss. And if you're into smart biotech plays and clinical insights, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks. Now let's dive into today's due diligence report on Q32 Bio Inc. Executive Summary: Q32 Bio Inc., NASDAQ, Q32, a clinical stage biotechnology company, has received FDA Fast Track designation for Bempikibart, its lead therapeutic candidate for severe alopecia areata. This milestone highlights the therapeutic potential of Bempikibart to address an area of high unmet medical need in autoimmune dermatology. Bempikibart is a fully human anti-IL-7 or alpha monoclonal antibody that modulates adaptive immune responses by blocking IL-7 and TSLP signaling. In the Phase 2a 𝗕𝗥𝗘𝗦𝗧 trial, patients receiving Bempikibart demonstrated a 16% mean reduction in SALT score at 24 weeks versus 2% for placebo. Additionally, 13% of patients achieved SALT 20 response at week 26 compared to 0% in the placebo group. These effects were durable, with sustained responses observed in up to 55 weeks post-treatment. Notably, Bempikibart showed a favorable safety profile with no serious adverse events reported. Encouraged by these findings, Q32 Bio has initiated an open-label 𝗕𝗥𝗘𝗦𝗧 Part B trial with dosing expected in the first half of this year, with top-line data anticipated in the following year. In a significant strategic move, Q32 Bio has realigned its corporate strategy to focus solely on advancing Bempikibart. As a result, the company has discontinued its other non-core programs, enabling a streamlined approach to resource allocation. With this refocused strategy, Q32 Bio reports sufficient capital reserves to support its operations and clinical development into late next year. Looking ahead, the company plans to initiate a Phase 2b trial for alopecia areata scalp in the second half of 2024, with the primary endpoint being change in hair count. Investment considerations: Bempikibart represents a compelling, novel therapeutic option for alopecia areata. The FDA Fast Track designation provides regulatory support for an expedited development timeline. Positive trends in safety and efficacy observed in early trials, along with indications of long-lasting treatment effects, are encouraging. The strong financial runway and focused R&D strategy also bolster confidence in the company's ability to execute on its clinical plans. However, investors should consider the risk that previous clinical challenges in other indications may impact market confidence. The limited sample size in upcoming trial phases may pose statistical limitations. And finally, there's the risk of increased competitive pressure from both existing and pipeline treatments for AA. Despite the risks, Q32 Bio's strategic refocus and recent positive clinical data for Bempikibart in alopecia areata suggest a promising path forward. Continued performance and successful execution of its clinical trials will be crucial for the company's success. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Stay healthy.